Oh fuck.
Okay, so we're throwing the game. So we're throwing the game. I get it now.
It'll be just fine.
Yay!
Yeah, guys, have fun.
Does it not?
Woo!
What do you mean? I don't know the door, pussy. What's that noise? Grim? Open the door.
There's nothing out here.
What do you mean? There is a guy right there!
There's nothing outside, guys. I'm looking for the map. There's nothing outside.
Grim, let us in. The door fell eventually.
Come on, guys.
For fuck's sake.
Go to the facility. Go get some loot.
Grim.
They're scared of you. The only thing they fear is you. That's it. The only thing they fear is you. See? We got kidnapped. That's crazy. Let me open it. I want to see. Holy shit. Yeah. Let me close that. Yeah. Alright, so how should we handle this? Jump to them, Scoobas. Jump. Jump to them. Sacrifice yourself. You know you want to be with them. With the Horde, Scoobas. With the Horde. Oh, fuck. Get us, Scoobas, quickly! Oh my. Oh, that's his body right there. Let me grab it. Ah, shucks. I cannot grab his body.